Hello guys, my name is Shan Shania. I'm 12 years old and I'm Canadian/East African, and today we're going to be going through an interesting topic of the call center. So let's get to it. I'm here with Shania. She's going to be also introducing herself.
Hello guys, my name is Shan Shania. I'm 8 years old. I'm Canadian/East African, and me and my brother are going to be doing call center. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be saying the definition again, and he's going to be completing me again. So let's jump right into it. So basically, call center is a department where people work. And you would be asking me, what did they do? What did they work? So basically, let's say I work at a call center, and he is someone who's trying to get information or whatever.
Exactly.
So he's trying to say, excuse me, can I have information or service or
Kind of like any kind of technology information as well. So if you ever have to, like, if I'm like the person that wants to call her, as customer service, I call her for kind of any kind of information in IT or anything else, and then she'll guide me through it as like a call center should. And that's how an agency works throughout a company of a call center. And it's also like in the BPO realm, so it's like that how you can really interact with the person that you're working with.
Yeah, and when you do a call center is that you can, every time they're like, oh, can I have some service? Can I have information? Can I have some information? And they're like, of course, because they have those three things that I was talking about. And when in call center, all you need a headphone with a little microphone to like talk back to the customer. And in the department, you need a big place, a big space for those people that work there.
Exactly, but if you have a limited kind of employees, you can also, just have a little bit of space. It depends on the people that are working in that department.
And when you're doing a call center, you need one chair and one table. And when you're doing that, you need like this thing that is like this, and to not like get bored, like have your own privacy.
Yeah, like a little board, pretty much.
Yeah.
So you can have your privacy, and others can focus as well when you're focusing.
And when you're doing that, you basically have a computer, and when you have a computer with a good camera, and
also, we can even like I can say refer to Saftech Canada. Saftech Canada is a BPO company call center that also works in that similar realm, and also is partnered up with us at Saftech Canada Academy. So that's how we all work in the BPO realm of call center, and also we also teach BPO with our teachers that will be teaching the call center realm and all of that.
And when you're doing call center, it's kind of, let's say I'm the customer and he works at call center. I'm like, well, I need some service. I call Sean from call center, and I'd be like, I need service. Can you please give me service? And he says,
I have to, contribute and actually, interact and also help you through what you actually, need help through. So that's what customer service is always there for.
Yeah, and you basically do what she or he asks for. So obviously what she asks for or he asks for happens.
Exactly, and you have to, contribute and actually help as a customer service employee. So
and when you're being with call center people and stuff, you can be friends, but you need your own privacy to do work, because you can't only just talk and not even listen to the people that are saying service, information, and everything.
Exactly. So that's pretty much it of the BPO call center realm. Thank you guys for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next video.
And Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.